So it was originally planned to be a wrap-up. So I thought of 6 slides. Now I've got 1 slide. Okay, so it will precisely take you 2.5 minutes. Okay, so first of all, very proud as part of the National HRD Network to have been associated with this event. I think this is not just an event, it's a step towards a better future. And from what I heard from several people, it feels like, we should make this a powerful event, a powerful movement, not just an event. We heard from Dr. Kiran Majumdar-Shah that, Bangalore can be made the safest city, and that can be the pledge that we will take. Sharad was telling me earlier that, there is something about Bangalore which really offers us the promise and the potential that can indeed, this city can indeed be made the safest city. If there is one city in Bangalore which has that promise and potential, then I think it is Bangalore. Let's not try and boil the ocean. Let's keep whatever we do simple. A few small metrics through which we can measure progress. Distribute responsibility, don't try and do everything all the time, and stay focused. And as it's often quoted, a journey of 1,000 leagues starts with one single step, and NHRD is very happy to be part of this journey. Thank you very much.
So with that, we bring this session to a close. Ladies and gentlemen, thank you for being so patient and being such a wonderful audience. And our speakers, all of you, speakers from Pune, everybody, it was a delightful session. And the fact that all of you are sitting here at 2:15, I think is a testimony of the fact that it is really touching a chord. Let's make Billion Eyes each one's agenda, each one's journey. And let's run this as individuals, be part of that Billion Eyes. Let each company be part of that Billion Eyes, and each association be part of Billion Eyes, so that we put it as a national movement and let that movement start in Bangalore. Let's make our public spaces and our workspaces safe for our women and all of us. And let's aspire for a better society. Ladies and gentlemen, thank you very much.
Some of you wanted to understand how to teach personal safety to very small children, and that is what I do. I am Dr. Sangeeta from Enfold Trust and BPAC. So I have got some pamphlets that you can collect from me, and I would request you to collect it first and now, rather than after lunch, because I may not stay.
Ladies and gentlemen, one last moment. Please give a very loud hand to Chitra Talwar. All our team members, please come up here, who have single-handedly tried to put this. Akshaya, Rajata, Geetika, Sujata. It's all women power all the way. All our B-Clip team members. Mimi, where are you? All our B-Clip team members. Come here, come up here. Let them all see what you're doing. Come here. Sharad, where are you? Please move up. Let them all take a look. The people who tried to make this happen for all of you. And there is a feedback form. There is a little card. If you liked it, please tell us what you like about it. If you would like to adopt this Billion Eyes in your respective organizations, we have all the collateral. So please, let us make this a movement. Let's work on it together. Thank you very much. Lunch is served, and I hope you enjoy yourselves.